Hi to all. The next topic is uses of computer network. So, what are the uses in a computer network? There are four uses. One is communication via the network, that is via the 4G. We can communicate. We can sharing our resources and data and software sharing, money saving. These four things are uses of computer network. In a communication, so we can interact with our different peoples in each other in all over the world. So we can easily, for example, Skype, we can easily contact with the other persons, and also communication with the employees and teams. In a businessman's, they can the maybe the owner, the business MD maybe stay in out of country, they can easily communicate with us team members, employees, and everywhere via the network. Then with low cost, the mobile telephone, email, video conferencing, SMS, all the things we can get. So mobile cost is just 200 rupees, telephone cost, video conferencing, everything we are doing without 1G and 2G. That is, cost is very low when we are using a computer networks. Next is resource sharing. Resource in the sense, we have some apps and everything we can share with the help of the network, that is your 4G or with the mobile. So one device is accessed by the many systems. So one device is accessed by many systems. Like for example, in a computer is accessed by printer, scanner, and also by fax machine and everything. So this is called resource sharing. The same resource and a single resource is shared by all the things. So the same messages, printer also printing that, scanning is also scanning that, and the same fax machine is taking the fax informations. So these is called resource sharing. Next is software or data sharing. That is, we are share it, we can easily send apps to another mobile. This is called softwares and data sharing. So that is software application stored in a center computer. That is, every in a the biggest colleges are having a one single server and other computers. So in a single lab they having 100 computers. In 100 out of 100 computers, one single computer is called server, other 99 is called as a client. So whenever we are installing some software, we are installing only in a server computer, because that is only one server computer is having all the applications, all the softwares. Other is considered as a client. They can easily retrieve from a server computer. This is called software and application stored in a center up computer, that is server computer, and is used for all clients. So high reliability is getting, and backup facility is also there. And when one is unavailable, so all the clients is doing the same business. So if one client machine is not working, we can retrieve the information from other clients, because all the clients are doing the same works. So we can when one is absent, we can retrieve needed information from the other client machine. The next one is money saving. So money saving in the sense, when we are introducing the computer network, the paperwork is reduced and manpower. So out of one single company, we are using 100 peoples. So it is, when we are using a starter to network, the manpower, so out of 100 people, now just 20 people are working, other network can do. So manpower is reduced and we can save the time. So this is the use of computer network. And the next one is different topic, network, how it is used in a businessman's. When the business, the top level businesses, what is the use of network? 2G 5G 4G இருக்கிறதுனால பிஸ்னஸுக்கு எப்படி ஹெல்ப் ஆகுது அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா, ஸோ 21st century the main role in a business is played by the network, and it is a very fastest method and wireless and transferred business performances, and quick decision making saved a time. So quick decision making in the sense, in a one company's if suppose it's having a 10 branches, in one branches is the performance is not good, in the sense the information is quickly getting for the one MD, and easily take over the decisions with the help of the network. Without network, it will take 1 month, 2 months. The message has to be sent to the MD. So till that, the time is waste. So all the businessmen is having their own slogans like time is money. So every, for all businessmen, each and every second is considered as a money. So for this, the network is very very helpful. Through the e-banking in the sense electronic banking via the Google Pay as like example, so we can pay and receive from a consumer via online. So some businesses small scale and some business or large scale. Small scale in the sense சின்ன சின்ன ஏரியாவில் செஞ்சு ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் நடந்தது அப்படின்னா ஸ்மால் ஸ்கேல், அண்ட் the largest cities and mega cities, and this is as considered as a large scale. So whatever it may be, this may be the business may be in the place of small scale or large scale. So that maybe it is done through like this, that is business to consumer. That business may be business to business, business to government, consumer to business, consumer to government, government to business, government to government. This is a handling methods in a business. And cheaper products easily get the internet because Flipkart, Amazon, the same products is available in Amazon, and the same products also available in a Flipkart. So we can get analyze the price money with more than more apps, and we can get reduced price, and we can get the relevant products. And companies renewal, the license, bill payment, stock maintenance, invoice is also all the things is accurately by the networks, and direct human interaction was reduced because everything is done by the network. There is no need for the human, and working environment was shrinking in the sense for in the later periods, and the companies in a acre and acre. Now in a single room and single in a single building, the whole thing is done. That is working environment is so small, and buyers can directly purchase any products directly from the manufacturer. And the next work in a social application, the network at social application. Social in the sense Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, these are social applications. So what is the use of network in a social application? This is a really 5-mark public 5-mark question. And in a social application, it is a very fastest method, easiest method, and cover all the people because everybody using the Facebook, Instagram and everything. So we can easily gather the peoples via the Facebook and everything. We share our thoughts in a different formats, because I want to say I want to show my sadness to all, in the sense the formats are different via the video, via the audio. In whatever formats we have, we can send the different sizes in a 1-minute video or 10 minutes video or 20 minutes video. This is your wish. The size is also so different. So, and attributes of social networks, social application. Attribute in the sense only applicable for social. So the membership, first attribute, membership in the sense all the users are register their names, and so avoid duplications has to be avoided. And many public network providing a free registration like bank account holders. The second attribute is content contributions. Contribute in the sense we have to contribute our contents. That is will allow all the members to send comments, music, movies and everything to the another user. And frequent return visit in the sense when we are seeing a single video, it is very useful to us in the sense if we want to see again, that is a frequent return visit. So many centers help us to know the informations frequently. That is YouTube and human relationship building. The interaction between the human can build a stronger connectivity. Human relationship in the sense all the Facebook peoples or interaction with themselves by easily. And the last one is uses of social network. What is the use in the sense group informations sharing over a long distance, that is all the peoples are living then and there, so outside the world and everything, but everybody is together in a one place in a WhatsApp status, in a WhatsApp group. So easily we can send one information to all the people. That is, next one is broadcast announcement. This is the second use. Broadcast in the sense, if we want to, for example, the flood came in the sense, so everybody asking some help to other world's people, so that's a broadcast announcement. So when we are seeing saying this we are the one by one, it is not possible, but when we are saying with the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, it will be easily reached for all the people. So broadcast announcement, easiest method to spread news and easiest method, and it's a comfort way. So businessman's able to market their product with the help of the consumer. And the last one is fostering diversity, because everybody, college students and school students, everybody easily, without getting ambition, without reach the ambition, they easily diverted in the middle stage itself. So that diversity is fostering, that is அவங்களோட diversity மாற்றி விடுறதுக்காக the network is helping us to many ways. For example, they will that is called flame ware. So that is community attract peoples, they are living in a same place, and we can easily know the people who's a better life partner. That is also easily we can get from a network.